Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. Today we're looking at a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 work truck 4x4 with 4 doors. 108,000 original miles. This truck just came in from Texas. Super clean, super clean. It's got some nice rubber on there, Cooper Discovery tires, equipped with a towing package. If you're looking for a clean work truck that's ready to get to work, we've got one right here for you. We've got shipping available anywhere in the United States. Wholesale rates. Most destinations are only a few $100s away. Take a look at the interior. It's a very, very clean interior. Got the vinyl floor. 4x4 on the dash. Automatic lights, windows and locks. Ice cold AC. Got a full bench front seat. Got some auxiliary switches and power outlets. Give you a quick VIN. There you go. Back seats. They don't even look like they've been sat in. Got a solid rear glass window. With rear air vents. Very clean truck. Here's the other side. Now guys, we do have our vehicles available locally and online for sale. So if you're interested in this one right here, please pick up the phone and give me a call right now. 954-258-2700. If you can't get a hold of me on the first try, please leave a message or send me a text. I get a lot of phone calls due to the nature of the online business, and I don't want to miss yours. Again, this is a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 4x4 work truck chassis, 108,000 miles, clean title, ready to be delivered. My name is Brett, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Oh, real quick before we go, we'll do a quick startup. And we'll go to the hood real fast. Super clean under the engine bay here. Engine sounds great. (954-258-2700). I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you for the opportunity.